What's up, everybody? Old Dude here, coming to you live from Nashville, Tennessee, and I'm in my shower right now. The dadgum thing has been leaking the last few days, and it's right by the toilet. And I listen to it, and I hear money going down the drain, down the drain. So, not many people know, but if you call the company with the piece of equipment or whatever that's messing up, a lot of times they'll send you out free replacements, and that goes for shower stalls, faucets, doorknobs, door locks. Try it. If you're the original owner, a lot of times you got to send pictures and stuff, but they'll replace it for free. So anyway, I've got some springs and seats to replace in here that Delta sent out to me. I just got it in the middle of the day, and what I'm going to do is pop this off, take this knob off, and I'm going to replace the seat. So I'll be right back. All right, now that I've got the screw out, I'm pull this off and set it down. This actually has an adjustment that you can make the hot water hotter, but that's not something I'm going to do. Don't need to do right now. So you just pull this chrome piece off, and you're looking at this, you're thinking, holy cow. But all you do is unscrew this, set that down, and then you just pull this out, and probably can't see in there, but you're wondering what in the world. All right, and it's a very good point. When I do stuff that I'm messing around, putting my bathroom sink, little tip, always pays to make sure that your stopper is stopped, because the last thing you want is something going down the drain, and you can see that only about works half the way. So, but these seats and springs is what they sent me. You can see that right there. Just goes in any kind of common faucet fixture, but the way they go in here is a little bit different, and I'll show you. It's a little bit of a secret, little trick. What you do is you take this and you turn it. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Now this little piece here, you want to make sure it's clean, doesn't have any buildup on it. You can wipe it off with water and vinegar. A little part inside there. But what I'm going to do, pull these bad boys out. There's one. There's the spring. There's the other one. And there's the spring. So this, you want to make sure that you have the large end of the spring going first, just like so. There's a small end, a large end, just like so. Put the caps on it. There's one. Put the other cap on it. There's two. Put this back together. Quarter of a turn, bada bing, bada bang. Now, something you got to realize too is you actually have this right here. I don't know if you can see it. It says hot side. And so this is going to go back in. You see the little indentions there? That's going to go in just exactly the way it came out, actually. So put this back in here. Got it seated on there. You can see where that's in the groove. I'll take my brass ring, put it back on there, tighten it down. A little tip. This is a bottle or jar opener. Don't really want my wife to know that I got it in the shower. But so let's just really finger tight. Put the sleeve back on it. And put the cover, screw cover. Now I'm going to just screw that back on. I'll be right back. All right, everybody, I'm back, and I got this thing fixed. I'm going to turn it on right quick. It's going to be probably, it's got some air in the lines a little bit. I expect a little bit of noise, but I really didn't. The main thing is to turn it off and hope that it doesn't leak. So, and it looks like we are good to go. I will tell you that before I turned it on, I stood here for a minute, and after turning the water back on, after replacing the seats and the springs, it was leaking. I mean, just leaking. So it looks like it's it's good to go now. So anyway, there you have it. Again, a little word of advice, a little tip. A lot of times if you have things like faucets, like I said, doorknobs, door locks, they break, and you can replace them. The company a lot of times will send you out new stuff. So I replaced the front door knob and lock assembly. It's like $125. They sent it free. So, but anyway, it looks like we're good to go. Please leave questions or comments. Like and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. Yeah, if you got anything out of this. All right. So have a good one. This old dude over and out. Learned the hard way since 1962, so you don't have to.